Migao mar omenda ochako choko pach jopiny ewi lokruok mag chike mano mabiro miyo aguch omenda mar piny owacho teko mar ng'iyo kaka riwruoge mag piny owacho tiyo gi omenda. Chikego igeno ni biro konyo e rango yo ma inyalo gweth godo oko riwruoge mag piny owacho ma osebedo ka kelo lal ne piny owacho kaachiel gi reso mago ma ineno ka nyalo dongore e yor omenda. E romo mano malela mane otim gi jopiny e boma ma Garissa, ten migao mar omenda nolero ni gigeno yudo pach jopiny e yore mabeyo minyalo land godo ne jopiny kaka riwruoge mag sirkal tiyo.
Kenya Airways is an example. But the government has been insisting on bailing out the same corporation year in, year out. Right? Where was that advice coming from? Because you bail out this year, you bail out next year, you bail out the other year. There should have been a lot of questions before the bailout first.
After an amendment is made in certain legislation, then the public should be informed, should be engaged more, impactful, and public participation, insightful, more engagement, so that they know what is going and what is added.
The guideline before, which we have sought the public opinion on in terms of their input, also provides guideline on how the government will carry out what we call restructuring. Restructuring, of course, is what the government do based on the performance of state corporation. The guideline also provides where the government will do the bailout, if there will be a need for bailout as a result of the performance of state corporation.